Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to copy a post link on Facebook using your Android mobile. This updated method is quick and easy, making it simple to share posts you love with friends or on other platforms. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android mobile. Start by launching the Facebook app. Ensure you're logged into your account to access all your posts. Step 2. Find the post. Now, navigate to the post you want to share. This could be something from your timeline, a friend's post, or even a post in a group. Step 3. Click on the three dots. Once you've found the post, look for the three-dot menu or ellipsis, usually located at the top right corner of the post. Tapping on this will reveal more options. Step 4. Select Copy Link. From the menu that appears, select the Copy Link option. This will copy the post link to your clipboard, making it easy to share wherever you'd like. And that's it. You've successfully copied the post link on Facebook. Whether you want to share it in a message, an email, or on another social media platform, this simple method makes it hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.